across the dark sea of the heavens a new light was born, Three-Eye Atlas, the interstellar wanderer, an emissary from realms beyond the sun. It came silently, yet its coming was foretold long before telescopes and machines gave us eyes to see it. For in the ancient songs of the Hopi, there was a prophecy that spoke of the blue star Kachina, the celestial spirit who would appear in the final days of the fourth world. When it danced in the sky for all to see, the elders said, the time of purification would begin, and the fifth world would awaken. Now as Three-Eye Atlas streaks across the black veil of space, its shimmering tail glows with a blue-white flame, as though reflecting the fire of creation itself. Astronomers call it a comet, an interstellar object expelled from another star system. But to the watchers who still listen to the old voices of the earth, it is something more, a sign, a messenger whose light carries a sacred memory. For the Hopi said that before the great purification, the blue star Kachina would remove its mask in the sky so that all the world could see the truth that was hidden. The Hopi elders described the worlds as cycles, each born, matured, and destroyed by imbalance. The first world perished by fire, the second by ice, the third by flood. The fourth, our world now, is ending through corruption of spirit. And in this age of machines and noise, when the people have forgotten their songs, the sky itself must remind them of the sacred order. Thus comes Three-Eye Atlas, not bound by the gravity of our sun, but drawn by the deeper pull of destiny. Its motion defies the known laws. Its light burns brighter than expected, as though guided by intelligence unseen. In the ancient language, Kachina means spirit being. The blue star Kachina is the herald of the Pahana, the true brother who returns from the east to restore harmony. The Hopi said that when the blue star dances in the heavens, it will mark the time when humanity must choose between the path of unity with the earth or the path of destruction. When Three-Eye Atlas crossed the inner system and brushed near the sun, it flared with unnatural brilliance, glowing as if it carried the consciousness of the stars. Scientists measured its light and were confounded. The object brightened in ways no comet should, as if its heart were alive. Many remembered then the Hopi saying, "It will come as a blue star far from the world of the humans, and its light will signal the awakening." As telescopes captured the cobalt shimmer of Three-Eye Atlas, the prophecy echoed once more. Perhaps it was coincidence, or perhaps the universe speaks in patterns too vast for our minds to comprehend. The elders would say there are no accidents in the dance of the stars. When the blue star appears, the Hopi said, the Kachina, the spirit messengers, will remove their masks in the great plaza before the people, revealing their true faces. The veils between worlds will thin, and truth will pour forth like sunlight through storm clouds. The arrival of Three-Eye Atlas, an interstellar wanderer born beyond the reach of our sun, is the removing of such a mask. It reveals to humankind that the cosmos is alive, that the beings of light and dust are part of a living story stretching beyond time. The comet's path, so precise, so improbable, feels as if written into the sky by an unseen hand. It glides past the planets like a silent teacher, reminding them of their harmony in the celestial order. And as it passes, strange awakenings stir on Earth. People dream of ancient voices, of blue fire and new dawns. The Hopi call this the time of purification, when the old structures collapse, and those who remember their hearts shall walk into the fifth world. So it is said that the blue star Kachina will dance once more across the heavens, and when its dance is done, a new sun will rise. Perhaps Three-Eye Atlas is not merely a comet, but the spirit of remembrance, a messenger from the edge of creation, returning to remind humanity of what was lost. It whispers that the worlds are not ending, but transforming, that endings are beginnings in disguise. And as it fades into the darkness beyond the stars, its light lingers like a promise that the fifth world is near, waiting for those who have eyes to see and hearts to awaken.